everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're selling on Etsy and struggling with low views, low traffic, or slow sales, this video is for you. Today, I'll break down how Etsy's algorithm actually works and show you how to optimize your Etsy SEO to rank higher in 2026 in a simple, practical way. Before we talk about optimization, you need to understand how Etsy's search system actually works. At a high level, Etsy uses two steps. First, it checks whether your listing matches a search. And second, it decides how high your listing should rank. Let's start with the first step, query matching. Query matching is Etsy's filtering stage. If your listing doesn't match the buyer's search terms, it won't even be considered for rankings. So what does Etsy look at during query matching? The first signal Etsy checks is your category. Think of categories as strong keywords that instantly tell Etsy what your product is about. Choosing the most accurate and specific categories helps Etsy show your listings to the right buyers. Once the category is clear, Etsy uses attributes to understand the details of your product. Attributes work like additional tags, so filling them out completely improves your matching accuracy. After categories and attributes, Etsy looks at your title to confirm relevance. Because most Etsy searches happen on mobile now, your main keywords should appear at the very beginning of your title. Finally, Etsy uses tags to fine-tune the match. You are allowed to use a maximum of 13 tags per Etsy listing, and they do not need to be the words that describe your product directly. Once your listing successfully matches a search, the real competition begins. This is where Etsy decides which listings deserve to be shown first. Let's look at the most important ranking factors. Even during rankings, relevancy still matters. The closer your listing matches buyer intent, the higher Etsy is willing to rank it. Next comes listing quality scores, which measures how well your listings converts. With the growing number of mobile users, product photos are extremely important. When shoppers browse the Etsy app, they don't read your descriptions. They scroll quickly and only stop when an eye-catching image grabs their attention. Next, return policy. Clear return policies reduce buyer hesitation and improve listing performance. Competitive or free shipping can significantly improve conversion rates. After evaluating the listings, Etsy also looks at your shop as a whole. Strong reviews and completed policies help build long-term trust. To keep the marketplace fresh, Etsy may temporarily boost new or recently updated listings to ensure a smooth, reliable, and secure shopping experience for buyers. Shops that adhere to Etsy customer service standards are prioritized in search results. Fast responses and problem resolution signal reliability to Etsy. If you speak multiple languages, you can add your own translations to your item listings. Translations you add yourself tend to be higher quality and sound more natural, so they often outperform machine translations. Clicks, favorites, and purchases tell Etsy which listings buyers prefer. When people search the same terms on Etsy, they will not see the same results. Thus, it is not a reasonable way to search your items on Etsy to see where it appears. Instead, it is wise to analyze it in stats to get ideas on how to renew Etsy listings according to shoppers' trends. So if you want to rank higher on Etsy in 2026, focus on matching first, then performance second. This is all for today. See you next time.